Preview.
Hi friends, what's up? What's up with you, Parikshit? How are you doing? What are you trying to do? Okay,
Finding the
getting
drawings.
ready. So today what are we going to draw?
We are going to draw Miles.
This is gonna be a fun drawing.
It's going to be Miles Morales.
Spiderman Miles Morales.
Morales.
Okay, so we start with the eyes as always.
I know how to draw Spiderman, but Miles Morales is a little different. Oh, wait.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Like this. Miles Morales is a human also. And the Spiderman also. Right, Papa?
Yes, beta.
I have a Venom form also. And small form also. And the normal form also.
And the next part is.
Papa?
Are you done till here?
No.
Now what do we do is?
Papa, no, I'm not done.
Okay, I'm waiting for you, son.
Wait, what are you saying?
No, we cover it like this. Okay, all good till here?
Wait.
Now let's bring it down. Then bring it down. Okay. Now we take another line on the side. Similarly this side. Okay. Bring it here. We bring it here.
Papa,
Yes.
I made a way too big Miles Morales, right?
It's okay.
You
okay.
have also.
Now the hands.
Oh,
Both sides are identically same. Isn't it?
What, Papa?
Both sides drawings are same.
What both sides?
Both the sides.
Yeah, they are. See.
Okay.
His hands are looking like King Kong. Right, Papa?
Yes.
Miles Morales wearing a jacket.
Oh, we're done till here. The
Papa?
difficult part is done.
No, that's not what was this. A difficult part.
It was not.
No.
It might be easy for you, but it was difficult for me.
Why? Why, Papa?
That was a new type kind of drawing.
What are you saying? It's a difficult drawing.
Okay, are you done till here? Are we done till here, kids?
Papa?
Yes.
I think something is what is difficult for you, it's easy for me. What is easy for you,
It's important how good you make. If it's easy, you should be making it very nice. Are you gonna make it nice?
Yeah.
Nicer than me?
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. Now we are left with drawing the Spiderman spider.
Because everyone noticed him.
Yes.
That is why Spider-Man's. Because they are bitten by a spider, then only they become Spider-Man.
Yes. Now let's do the hands.
Oh, wait. Not nicer than you, but a little almost same.
Yes, it is close to as good as mine, Johnny. Very good, Parikshit.
What are you doing, Papa?
Drawing a spider symbol. Okay, is it good till now? We will be now coloring it with red color.
Papa, why are you taking my color?
Sorry.
Why are you taking blue? Papa?
They're hot for you. So we are done with the drawing of Miles Morales. I hope you loved the drawing.
If you love this drawing, do like and subscribe my channel to see more of these amazing videos.
Have a good day.
Bye.